This lesson is about the most important point on a parabola. If you understand the vertex, graphing becomes easy. First, let's look at the graph. The vertex is the turning point or middle point of the parabola. When a parabola opens up, the vertex is the lowest point of x and y. This is the minimum. Everything else on the graph is higher than this point. When it opens down, the vertex point is the highest point. This is the maximum. Everything else on the graph is lower than this point. Now that you know what the vertex looks like, we need a way to find it using the equation. When the equation is written in standard form, we can find the x value of the vertex using a formula. That formula is x equals negative b divided by 2a. In standard form, a is the number in front of x squared. B is the number in front of x. You ignore c for now. The equation is y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. Here, a equals 1, b equals 2. Now plug it into the vertex formula. X equals negative 2 divided by 2 times 1. That simplifies to negative 1. Now we plug x equals negative 1 into the equation. When we calculate, y equals negative 4. So the vertex is at negative 1, negative 4. The equation is y equals negative x squared plus 4. Here, a is negative 1. B is 0. Yes, 0 counts. 0 divided by negative 2 gives 0. So x equals 0. When x equals 0, y equals 4. So the vertex is at 0, 4. And because a is negative, this parabola opens down. Let's do one more. The equation is y equals 2 x squared minus 8x plus 6. A equals 2. B equals negative 8. Negative b means positive 8. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So x equals 2. Now plug 2 back into the equation. The result is negative 2. The vertex is at 2, negative 2. This parabola opens up, so this is the lowest point. The vertex is the turning point. If it opens up, it's the lowest point. If it opens down, it's the highest point. To find the vertex from standard form, use x equals negative b over 2a. Then plug that x back in. In the last video, we learned how to find the x value of the vertex using a formula. In this video, I'm going to show you a different formula that gives you the vertex instantly. This equation called vertex form. Vertex form is written as y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Vertex form is special because it shows us the vertex immediately. The letter h tells us how far the graph moves left or right. The letter k tells us how far the graph moves up or down. Together, h and k give us the vertex. It's basically another way to write x and y. The h value is the x and the k value is the y. Let's look at an example written in vertex form. The equation is y equals x minus 2 squared plus 1. Step 1 is to find h and k by looking inside the parentheses and at the number outside. H equals positive 2, so we move right 2 units. K equals 1, so we move up 1 unit. This point is the vertex. As we know, in a quadratic equation, the letter A controls the shape of the graph. Sometimes we need to change vertex form into standard form. To do this, we expand the squared expression. X minus 2 squared becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4. Turn the equation into factored form and then use FOIL to solve. When we simplify everything, the equation becomes y equals x squared minus 4x plus 5. As you can see, my y-intercept is 5, so it becomes easier to graph vertex form makes finding the vertex easy. The vertex is always written as hk.